Hello and welcome to Just Scran. Here is the most perfect mac and cheese. This is all you need to make the best mac and cheese you'll ever have. First, cook the prosciutto until crisp. Remove it. Melt the butter. Add flour and stir to make a roux. Pour in your milk, whisk until smooth. Add Dijon mustard and black pepper. Now for the cheese. Cheddar for flavour, Jarlsberg for that sweet nutty melt, and mozzarella for the stretch. Stir until everything melts into a silky sauce. Add the cooked macaroni and mix well. Add in the crispy prosciutto and transfer to an oven dish. Finish with Parmigiano Reggiano into the oven. And there we have it, the most perfect mac and cheese. Please like and subscribe.